Hello, dear viewers and guests of our channel. We're glad that you decided to give us your precious time. Are you a poker player and looking for the best online platforms to play on? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we present you the top 3 best poker sites in the world that offer an exciting gaming experience, generous bonuses, and secure transactions. Find out where to find the best conditions for playing online poker no matter where you live. You will find all the names, characteristics, and links to these wonderful platforms in the description below this video. That's the end of our video. Thank you for giving us your precious time. We have shown you the best poker sites in the world. Explore the welcome bonuses, choose the game you like, and start winning. Do not forget about the responsible approach to the game and enjoy the excitement. If you are interested in one of the presented poker rooms, do not forget to look at the description where we have left direct links for your convenience. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Have a nice day, and see you soon.